Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change the folder icon in Windows 7. Right-click on the folder you want to change. Click on Properties at the bottom of the drop-down list. Click on the Customize tab. Under the folder icon sections, click Change Icons. Navigate through the list of default Windows icons. Select an icon of your choice. Click OK after selecting your icon. Click Apply. Now hit refresh. As you can see, folder icon has been changed. You can also change folder icons by downloading icons online. To do that, open your favorite browser and go to iconfinder.com. Search for wallpaper icons. Select Free option to download icons for free. Click on the icon of your choice. Download ICO file. Now navigate the folder location. Right-click on the folder you want to change. Click on Properties at the bottom of the drop-down list. Click on the Customize tab. Under the folder icons sections, click Change Icons. Select Browser and navigate to download location. Select the icon and click Open. Click OK. Click Apply to save the changes. As you can see, the folder icon has been changed. This is how you can change the folder icon in Windows 7.